CIET NCERT presents the audiobook Khel Yatra, textbook of physical education and well-being for class 6.
Unit 1. Importance of Physical Education and Well-being. Page 1. In this unit, we will discover how regular physical activity can make us feel good and help us get along with others. Here's what we will do. Number 1. Games and fun activities. We will play lots of fun games and have interesting discussions. Number 2. Looking after each other. We will learn to stay together, grow together and be happy for each other. We will also learn and explore how doing all that can make us happier, physically and mentally stronger and more successful. Number 3. Safety first. We will find out ways to stay safe while playing, avoid injuries, create a healthy environment for everyone. There are some traditional games which are best to inculcate different values and cultural understanding. Also, they help in making a player fit and alert. Let's explore. In the upper side of the page, a picture is given in which kids are playing 7-stone game. Ice Water. Page 2. Ice Water is a traditional game of togetherness. In this game, while having fun, you will rescue teammates and support each other, despite being on standby. Play and enjoy. There are 4 columns given in the page. The first column says warm up, torso twist, squat, quadriceps stretch. Second column says activity, ice water. Third column says cool down, floor touch, calf stretch, side lunges stretch. Fourth column says circle time, being together. How to play. Point 1. Select a denner who will chase other players in the game. Point 2. If a player gets tagged ice by the denner, then that player must immediately freeze, means stand still at that place. Point 3. To unfreeze a player, another player has to touch that player, that is, frozen player, and say water. Point 4. The game can continue until all the players are frozen or for the game time is over. Point 5. If one player gets tagged ice more than 3 times, then that player will become the denner. Page 3. In the upper side of the page, a picture is given in which 4 kids are playing ice and water. Circle time. Being together. Discuss with your classmates how will you feel if you're not allowed to play for the next 7 days and why. Playing together makes you feel good and gives you joy. Page 4. 7 Stones. 7 Stones is a local game played across India with different names such as Satolia, Nagori, Pittu, Norkoloi, etc. It combines elements of agility, strategy and teamwork, making it a popular outdoor activity enjoyed by both children and adults. Let's play and grow happily together. There are 4 sections given. The first section says warm up, side walk, back walk, jogging drills. The second part says activity, 7 stones. The third part says cool down, Paschimottanasana. Fourth part says circle time, growing happily. How to play. Point 1. Make 2 teams. Point 2. Pile the stones one on top of another and mark a line approximately 15 feet away from the stack. Point 3. The first team will send a player to strike the stack in 3 chances. Point 4. The fielding team places one player on the other side of the stack, and if this player catches the ball directly thrown by the first team player, then that player will be out. Point 5. The player from the first team will strike the stack and their teammates will run to put back the stack and yells Lagori, Satolia or Pittu or any other name of the game that is popular in the area. Page number 5. Point 6. If any player is striked out from the ball by the fielding team, then that player will be out and the game resumes. Point 7. If the team yells before stacking all the stones, the full team will be out. Point 8. And if the striking team put the stack back and yells before anybody gets out, then they will get 1 point for that. Circle time. Grow happily. Prepare a list of things or enlist the things while playing the game of 7 stones. You liked the most or enjoyed the most and the things you didn't enjoy it at all. Playing helps you to be active and stress-free. In the upper side of the page, a picture is given in which kids are playing 7 stones game. Page 6. Aerobic exercises. Aerobic exercises are activities that increase heart rate and breathing for long periods. In these activities, we will learn to have fun while exercising. Let's explore different combinations of fun exercises. There are 4 sections. The first part says warm up, leaping and skipping jumps, hip and pelvic muscle stretch. Part 2 says activity, aerobic exercises. Part 3 says cool down, arm swingings, shoulder shrug. Part 4 says circle time, growing strong. How to play. Point 1. Aerobic exercises combine rhythmic dancing moves with energetic music to create a dynamic and entertaining aerobic workout that requires oxygen for extended periods and hence promotes heart health, endurance, and general fitness. Explore different aerobic exercises with the help of your teacher. Page 7. In the upper side of the page, a picture is given in which kids are doing aerobic exercises. Circle time. Growing strong. Write a note on how regular aerobic exercises reduce panting. Here in a circle, it is given, bones and muscles grow stronger if you exercise regularly and eat healthy food. Page 8. Follow me. Remember how we enjoy mimicking some character or person? It is fun to do with movements as well. Follow me is a game of mimicking. Let's make a mirror image of each other's movement and have fun. Here are 4 sections given. The first part says warm up, sliding and galloping, knee hug and quadriceps stretch. Part 2 says activity, follow me. Part 3 says cool down, forward lunges and backward lunges. Part 4 says circle time, helping each other. How to play? Point 1. Select one member who will demonstrate a different movement and others will follow. Point 2. Now imitate the movement or directions you just saw. Example: animal walks, body rolls, jumps, stretches, balance on one leg. Point 3. Switch the role after one set time. Everybody gets the chance to demonstrate different movements. Page number 9. The upper side of the page shows kids playing follow me where they are trying to balance on one leg. Circle time. Help each other. Share an instance with your classmates where you went out of the way to help someone. Although that was inconvenient for you, but you still felt good about it. Why? At the bottom of the page, a circle is given which says, playing together helps in creating an emotional and social bond. You share values like fair play, following rules, and respecting each other's performances. Page 10. Number game. Number game has been adopted from the local game Rumal Jhapatta. Recall when you played the game with your friends? There are 4 sections. Part 1. Warm up, squat, floor touch, calf stretch. Part 2. Activity, number game. Part 3. Cool down, overhead triceps stretch, side lunges, crossed leg toe touch. Part 4. Circle time, treating each other well. How to play? Point 1. Form a circle. Make 2 teams. Point 2. Place a cone or marker in the center. Point 3. Players from both the teams will be assigned with same numbers. For example, 1 to 10 to team A and 1 to 10 to team B. Point 4. Start moving in the circle as instructed by the teacher, like jogging clockwise, jogging anti-clockwise, frog jump. Point 5. While moving, teacher will call out a number. Any two players assigned with same number will approach the marker. One who touches the marker gets 1 point. Point 6. Team with the maximum points will win. Page 11. On the upper side of the page, a picture is given where kids are playing number game with their teacher. Circle time. Treat each other well. Share your opinion. What will you do if you see someone being treated badly during the playtime? At the bottom of the page, a circle is given which says, treat others the way you wish to be treated. Page 12. Hula hoop jump. Hula hoop jump is a game played using a ring. Learn to jump, manipulate and coordinate your body with the ring and be happy for each other. There are 4 sections. The first part says warm up, shoulder circles, groin stretch, hip circles. Part 2 says activity, hula hoop jump. Part 3 says cool down, torso twist, floor touch, hamstring stretch. Part 4 says circle time. Learn to be happy for each other. How to play? Point 1. Make multiple teams. Point 2. First player in each lane will get the hula hoop. Each lane will have 1 hula hoop, each for 1 player. The circle at the bottom of the page says appreciate the effort and not the outcome of the game. At the bottom of the page, a picture is given in which 2 kids are playing hula hoop game. Page 13. Point 3. Hoops will be placed on the ground in front of you. Point 4. Start the game by jumping inside the hula hoops with both your legs. Point 5. Lift the hoop off the ground and place it in front of you. Then jump again, landing with both feet together. Point 6. Repeat the process until you reach the end point. Point 7. Run back towards the starting line and pass the hoop to your teammate. Point 8. The team that finishes first will win the game. Circle time. Learn to be happy for others. Point 1. Imagine you won a game and everybody was cheering for you. Narrate your reaction in the form of a poem. Point 2. Have you ever appreciated the opposing team players for their performance? At the upper side of the page, a picture is given in which kids are playing hula hoop game. Chapter 1 ends here.
Khel Yatra, you were just listening to this audiobook, textbook of physical education and well-being for class 6. Narration Akshita Mishra, sound recordist Manju Kumari, assistance in production Chetna Sharma, directed and produced by Vimalesh Chaudhary. This audiobook is presented to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.